We don't just hike on the trails. Cars like way down there. We're trying to get the just up there. The stream. See how they found it? It's right, almost drinkable. The only problem is they fog up easier when they're all wet. Alright, the higher we go, the more water. Doing top of the world?
Top of the world!
Look at our view. Yee! Saw rocks flying down that thing. This is what we came to see. Payoff. We're halfway there, now we just gotta get back. That was crazy. It's very crazy. Look at that chute right there. I saw rocks falling. From the snowmelt, most likely. Still hold on just because I'm getting vertigo.
Can you climb from up there? Through there?
Oh, so cold. Oh, feet are like freezing. Daryl. Oh. It's waterproof. More down. Now squish it back real fast. There you go. Whee! Rastafari. We're in Jamaica. The waterfalls. Yeah. Feels so good, huh?